हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू पॉलरिस 2020। इस इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो को आइए अंत तक देखते हैं। लेट्स वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड।
In this video, we are going to learn about Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2010. Before starting the class, we should have knowledge about few terms. Number one is presentation, number two slides, number three animations, and so on. So let us see what is a presentation. Presentation means it's a kind of systematic display of information on a given topic. And the presentation basically consists slides. There can be one or more than one slide in a presentation. And in that presentation, we will be having uh, some kind of animations, uh, text, videos, audios. We can insert many things, and these are done through slides. So what is a slide? Slide is a page in the presentation which may contain text, graph, chart, sound, videos, etc. You can think like in MS Office Word we were having pages where we were typing or inserting things. So you can say that in the same way in the slides we are having in the Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2010 we are having slides to do the same thing. Now coming to animation, what is animation? Most of us know what is animation, isn't it? So we all have seen Tom and Jerry and animated movies, isn't it? So that means what? These are the movement of the content in such a way to make us feel the environment is very lively and so on. So let us see from the very beginning how to start Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2010. We will have to go to Start, then All Programs, Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2010. So let us see. We are clicking on the Start button. All Programs. We are having Microsoft Office and Microsoft Office PowerPoint. We will be clicking here. Okay. So after clicking, this is the environment that we are getting for Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Now see, uh, just like MS Office Excel or MS Office Word 2010, we are having a quick launch bar out here where we can save, undo, redo, and other things such as new, open, save. We can get into here. Okay, these are the ribbon-based menu. At the very beginning, we are in the Home tab. Then insert is there, design is there, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view. Okay, and in this part we are having slides and outline. So currently our presentation is having only one slide. By default it comes. When we open MS Office Word also, by default the Word gives us a single page, isn't it? So initially it is not blank, it is having something in it. So in the same way, it is just a default slide that is coming. This is basically called navigation pane. Slide navigation pane. So what we are getting here is slide navigation pane. It shows us number of slides that the presentation is having. Okay. Then what? Then we are having the placeholders. These two are the placeholders. Click to add title, click to add subtitle. So these are called placeholders. Okay. Then what else we are having? We are having one tab called outline, isn't it? We go to the outline and it is showing us that we are having only one slide. Now this is a part for the notes. Click to add notes. This is for the presenter who will be presenting the presentation. This is not for the people who are audience for the presentation, who will be viewing the audio presentation. This is not for them. This is for the person who is making this presentation or who will be showing this presentation to others. For him, this is some kind of notes that he can write here. Okay. Now comes the horizontal and vertical scroll bars. Basically, we are not having any scroll bars because we are having only one slide out there. So if you want to view them, then go to view rulers. Now we are having rulers. Okay, and grid lines. Grid lines is dotted part. We can exactly calculate where to place our things. And guides. Guides means what? It is dividing the slide into equal 4 quadrants. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So if you look very minutely, we will be seeing dashed lines dividing this slide into 4 equal parts. So we are having rulers, grid lines, and guides in the view tab. Okay. Now coming back to home, I don't need this grid lines, so I will be removing them. Only ruler, it's okay. If there is ruler, it's okay. And at the bottom, we are having few things. Before that, we will write down what we have seen just now. If we go to view tab, it is providing us number A, what? Ruler. Number B. Number B what it was? Number B was grid lines and guides. Okay. So the view tab is having more than these things, but in this particular video we have seen this. So I have put in it. So these are the check boxes you can check. Okay. Let us go to home tab. And this slide in this part, this is called status bar. Okay, it will be showing us the status. The English language is used of United States, office theme, slide 1 of 1. We are in the slide 1 of 1, and in the right hand side we are having two things like we can. This is the original size of the slide, 100%, and we can decrease it, increase it for the viewing part only. Okay, we are not actually decreasing the size of the slide. We are decreasing in terms of percentage to view it. Okay, this is showing us the whole slide, and if we increase it to 100%, we may miss something. We will have to use the scroll bar. Okay, now the scroll bar has come. Now if I increase it more, then horizontal and vertical scroll bar both will be visible. Okay. So if the slide is very small, there is no need of scroll bar, and that's why the office will remove this scroll bars for us. Okay. Now we have seen. Now we are having outline tab. This is outline tab. This is what? Outline tab. So outline tab is used to present the slide pane, and it will display the text of each slide. Okay. Now we have not written anything, that's why it is not showing us anything. Now here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. First button is for normal view. This is by default we are in normal view. Okay, this is the normal view. Then we are having slide sorter view. Slide sorter view means it will show us 1, 2, 3, 4 how many slides we are having in the presentation. Number 3 is reading view. Means it will be showing us exactly when the presentation will start. The things, the contents, whether they are coming within the given slide or not, something is missing. Say I have written welcome, but the key is outside. It is not coming. It is only coming as welcome. Welcome. Key is missing, or sometimes W is missing. So what will be happening? So for those purpose, we use this. Okay. Reading view. Okay. Press escape to come out of it. We are having slide show for the slides. So the three views, we are having normal view, slide sorter view, reading view, and slide show. So this is not actually view. Three views we are having: normal, slide sorter, and reading view. So there are three views in PowerPoint. They are number A, view, then we are having slide sorter view, and the last one is reading view. So if anyone asks you how many views are there in a PowerPoint, you will be saying three: normal, slide sorter, and reading view. So these are the three views. Okay. Now let us make a small presentation before going further. I will be using the blank presentation. Okay. By default, the blank presentation comes. So in the next videos, I will be showing you how to use the other types of things. So this is the very first slide that we have got. It is written here. Click to add title. So say I am writing here software. Okay, and this types. I can write here by Mr. Fine. Okay. Now this is the very first slide that we have created. Let us go to the slide. Now see, it is showing us a preview, isn't it? In the slide, an outline. See, it is showing us the text what we have written. Software and its type by Mr. XX. Okay. Now I will be requiring more slides to show you the presentation. So what we will do, in the home tab we are having new slide, and we can select various kinds of slides here. Okay, various kinds of slides. This is a blank slide. Then if we want to have some kind of graph, audio, video in two parts, then we are having, and comparison type of things we are having here. Title only, section header, so and so. Okay, so I'll be using title only one. So this is our second slide that has come. So I'll be writing here. What is the software? Now I'll be requiring something extra to write down here, isn't it? So what do we do? So before that, I'll be writing down how to insert a new slide. So what we have seen is how to insert a new slide. So there are two ways. Let us make it in a question, isn't it? We'll be looking back. This is our very first question, question number 1. How to insert a new slide. There are two ways. Number 1, what we have done? We have gone to home tab, new slide, select the slides from the office theme, and the new slide will be there. Okay. Home tab, new slide, select the slide from the office theme by clicking it, and we have done. So click on home tab, then slide. Then what we have done? Copy screen. Copy screen. Select the clicking the mouse. Clicking the mouse means what? Left click. Okay. And the second way we have not seen yet. What we can do, we can go to this part, right click over here. Okay, you can click over any slide also, or the part where we are having no slide. You can right click, new slide, and we are having a new slide. Okay, right click in the side navigation pane. And what we have done, new slide. These duplicate sides and so on, we will be seeing it later. Okay. So these are the two ways of inserting a slide. Now, how to delete a slide? So this thing we will be inserting later on. Now we are not requiring it. So right click over it and delete slide. Okay. So one more question we have got. Question number 2. How to delete a slide? Right click on the slide to delete it. Okay. So we have said, now say I want to have a text box here. So I have to insert text box and how much it should be on writing how much I'm writing. Okay, now let's start. Software installation of program job, program smallest module of software and so on. We are saying that how much we are writing things. There the text box is going slowly. So I just want to okay. Now how many slides we are having? We are having 2 slides. So from these 2 slides only, I will show you how to start our presentation, how it will look. So to start a presentation, the keyboard shortcut is F5. Okay. So now I will press F5 and the whole screen is coming. Softwares and its types. And I click, then the second slide comes. And then I click, end of the show, click to exit. So we have exit. Thank you very much.
I hope the video that you saw just now was informative. Kindly make it a point to subscribe, share and like Polaris 2020, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.